Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Today, we're touring Blair Place, a brand new enclave community with 38 home sites located in Monroe, North Carolina. If you're looking for that small town charm without giving up proximity to Charlotte, this community needs to be on your radar. Blair Place offers estate-size 1+ acre home sites, giving you space, privacy, and plenty of room to grow. You'll find beautifully designed 2-story single-family homes offering 3 to 6 bedrooms, 3-car garages, optional 4-car garages, and outdoor living spaces ideal for entertaining. The HOA is only $425 per quarter, and the community sits perfectly between Monroe and Indian Trail with access to exceptional schools and everyday conveniences. Here, you're minutes from shopping and dining in downtown Monroe, plus access to outdoor recreation at Crooked Creek Park. And if you need to commute, you're close to Highway 74 and the Monroe Expressway, making travel to Uptown Charlotte quick and easy. This is Union County living at its best. Space, convenience, and value without sacrificing quality. Today, we're walking through the Prescott floor plan, starting from $729,990, offering up to 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and approximately 3,900 square feet of living space, plus a 3-car garage. As soon as you enter, you're greeted with a flex space that can function as a formal dining room with a connected butler's pantry, or it can be converted into a private study depending on your lifestyle needs. Moving into the main living area, you'll find an open great room, dining room, and an upgraded kitchen featuring a large island, walk-in pantry, and plenty of countertop space for everyday cooking or holiday gatherings. The main level also includes a guest suite with a full bath, perfect for that multi-generational living or those weekend visitors. Upstairs, you'll find the spacious owner's suite, plus 3 additional bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a loft, ideal for a lounge, playroom, or home workspace. The laundry room is also conveniently located on this level. Whether you're searching for space, privacy, or easy access to both Monroe and Charlotte, Blair Place offers Mattamy's quality and design at an exceptional value. If you're interested in learning more about availability, pricing, or upcoming home sites, or you want to tour additional communities in the area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.